CG70 Airbag Reset Tool. Monthly activation has expired solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The CG70 Airbag Reset Tool might display a message indicating that the monthly activation has expired, despite its device license being valid until June 24, 2025. This is a common issue that can be resolved by combining it with the CG100X programmer. Here's how you can resolve the activation issue. Problem: the CG70 tool is showing that the monthly activation has expired, even though the license is still valid. It requires connecting to the CG100X programmer for activation. Solution: 1. Combine CG70 with CG100X programmer. The CG70 needs to be connected with the CG100X programmer for monthly activation. 2. Activate twice. First activation: combine the CG70 with CG100X software to activate it. Second activation: combine the CG100X and CG70 software to complete the activation process. 3. No more monthly activations needed. After these two activations, you will not need to reactivate both devices every 30 days. This is a one-time process. By completing the two activations, your CG70 device will continue to function without further monthly activations until the license expiration date. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.